everyone, it's V and welcome once again to the Vinance Vault, where we unlock the secrets of financial freedom, one vault at a time. Now let's get into something super important but often overlooked: emergency funds. Why they're not just nice to have but essential. Now let's get into it. Now I know it doesn't sound exciting. It's not as flashy as investing or paying off debt. But hear me out. An emergency fund is your financial seatbelt. Life throws curveballs. Car breaks down, boiler packs up, you lose your job. That emergency fund is what keeps you from reaching for a credit card or payday loan in a panic. So what is it exactly? It's a stash of cash. I didn't mean it, but that kind of rhymed. Well, ideally 3 to 6 months of essential expenses set aside in a separate easy access savings account. Not for holidays, not for impulse buys, strictly for life just happened moments. Let's be real, the cost of living in the UK has soared. Rent, food, energy bills, all up. According to the ONS, around 35% of UK adults say they'd struggle to cover an unexpected £850 bill. An emergency fund means less stress and more control when things go wrong. No scrambling for a credit card or payday loan. A good rule of thumb: 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Start with 500 or 1000, whatever you can, and grow from there. And no, you don't need to build it overnight. Start small. Even 500 can make a difference when your boiler packs in during winter. If your monthly outgoings, rent, food, bills come to 1.5, aim for 4.5 to 9,000. Think of it as buying peace of mind, because when the unexpected hits, you thank yourself for being prepared. It in a separate easy access savings account, not your day-to-day current account. Look for high interest easy access accounts or premium bonds if you're feeling lucky. Avoid locking it away in a fixed savings account. If it's an emergency, you need it now, not in 90 days. Set a realistic target. Even £20 a week adds up. Automate it. Set up a standing order right after payday. Cut back where you can. Swap takeaways for home cooking. Cancel unused subscriptions. Throw windfalls at it. Tax refunds, bonuses, side hustle income. You got it. Keep it separate. Stock market dips don't care about your timing. It's not your holiday pot. Once you hit your goal, don't stop watching it. Review every few months. If you use some, top it back up, just like refilling your car's tank. And if your expenses grow, for instance, you move to London or start a family, adjust accordingly. Think of it as the foundation of your financial house. Before investing or saving for a wedding, get your emergency fund sorted. It gives you the confidence to take financial risk because you know you've got backup. When the 2020 pandemic hit, millions were downsized. Those with emergency savings could breathe easier. Or take Jane, a single mom from Manchester. Her emergency fund covered 2 months of expenses when a car broke down and her employer cut hours. It wasn't a luxury, it was survival. So, ask yourself, if something happened today, could you really cover it without going into debt? If not, now's the time to start building your buffer. Emergencies don't come with a warning, but being prepared puts you in control. Start today. Open a separate account. Automate a small weekly amount. Protect your future self because life happens whether you're ready or not. This is one of the smartest financial moves you ever make. Now, if you found this helpful, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, we're unlocking the power of finance one vault at a time. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.